Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trend. So I am back again with another useful video for you all. So lately I was receiving a lot of requests about how can we recover a hacked Gmail account. So here I am with a video for that to help you recover your hacked Gmail account, and I will also tell you how you can secure your compromised Google account, that is Gmail account. All right, so we will talk about everything. I will show you step by step, and I will talk about different methods using which you can recover your Gmail account. Also, if your password has not been changed and you can still access your account, I will show you how you can secure your account. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so before I start telling you how you can recover your hacked Gmail account, I have a few things to talk about. First of all, there are basically two methods using which you can recover a hacked Gmail account. First is using your phone number and second is using your recovery email address. Alright, so to use any of these methods, you must have added your phone number to your Gmail account. Also, if you want to use the recovery email address, you must have added an email address to your Gmail account. If you haven't added these information, you might not be able to recover your account. All right, so it is important to secure your account with your phone number or a recovery email address, as that helps you recover your account whenever you lose access to your account. Such as if you lose password, you can simply reset the password by getting the verification code on your phone number or recovery email address. All right, so basically you need your phone number or an alternative email address to recover your Gmail account. Apart from that, there is one more method, that is using the last password that you remember. All right, so if you remember the last password, Google can still help you get your account back. Another important thing is that you must always use the old device to recover your Gmail account. By old device, I mean that the device you were using to access your or to use your Gmail account. Do not use a new device, all right, because Google notices your locations and keeps a track of all the devices you use. So whenever you try to recover your Gmail account, make sure you are using any old device on which you have already logged into your hacked Gmail account. So that makes the recovery process a bit easier. All right. So yeah, now let's get started with the recovery process. Alright, so for the first recovery method, you have to simply go to gmail.com on a browser and try to log into your account. As you don't remember your password or your account has been hacked, you simply have to click on forgot password to reset it. Now the Google asks for the last password that you remember. Alright, so if you remember any of the last password of your Gmail account, you simply have to enter that right here. Alright, so yeah, enter the last password and then you have to click on next. Now again it asks you to get the verification code on your phone number added to your account. If you have already added, you have to enter the phone number and then you have to click send to get the verification code. All right, so with this method you can simply recover or reset the password by entering the verification code that you have received on your phone number. So just enter the code and then press next to change the password. All right, so yeah, that was so easy to recover your Gmail account with the help of your phone number. You have to simply create a strong password and make sure you create a new and a strong password that you are not using for other websites. So that was about the first method. Now let's proceed to the second method, and for that you again have to follow the same steps. All right, first of all you have to enter your username for the Gmail account and then click on forgot password. All right, Now after that, if you don't remember the last password, you can simply click on try another way, and then if you don't have a phone number added to your account or you don't have access to it, click on I don't have my phone. All right. So now they will ask you to get the code on your recovery email address that is added to your account in case you have added it. All right. So I have added my recovery email address to my Gmail account. So I will enter the same right here and then click on send to get the code. All right. Now here you have to enter the verification code that you have just received on your recovery email address to verify that this account belongs to you. Now once you have entered the code, click on next, and again you will be allowed to set a new password for your Gmail account. So in that way you can simply and easily recover your hacked Gmail account if you have still access to your phone number or recovery email address. Now in case you don't have access to your phone number or you don't have added a phone number or a recovery email address to your Gmail account, let's see what we can do in that case. All right, so again you have to enter your username for which you want to reset the password to the email account that has been hacked, and again click on forgot password, try another way. Now again click on I don't have my phone as you don't have your phone. Now again click on try another way. All right, if you don't have access to your recovery email address. Now here you have to enter an email address where Google can contact you later. All right, so they need some time to review your request, so you have to enter a separate email address that you can access to get the information about your hacked Gmail account. So I am entering my email address, then simply click on next. Now as you can see, an email has been sent with a verification code. You have to simply enter the code you have received on this email address. So enter the code right here and then click on next. Now as you can see, the message couldn't sign you in because thanks for confirming that you can access the contact email address you have provided, but they will contact you after 48 hours. So you just have to wait till the 48 hours period and make sure you don't try to attempt any login till that 48 hours period is over. All right, so you will receive a mail from Google or Gmail about your hacked Gmail account, and you just have to follow the instructions. But before that, you just have to wait for 48 hours, that is 2 days, to get a reply from them. All right, so that was all the information about a hacked Gmail account. And in case you want to recover your hacked Gmail account, you need to have access to your phone number or your recovery email address so that you can get the verification code and you can simply reset the password. In case you don't have access to your phone number or recovery email address, you can still enter your new email address for Google to contact you. All right, but in that case there is no assurance that you will get your Gmail account back or not. So it is always better to add your phone number and recovery email address to your email accounts. All right, if you need further help, you can visit the Google support page right here. As you can see on the screen, there is a lot of information provided here about how you can secure a hacked or compromised Google account. All right, so they have mentioned how you can know, how you can recognize a hacked Google account. All right, and what should you do if you are not able to sign into your Google account. All right, so you can go through all the information provided right here and how you can secure your account in a better way by using two-step verification, and you can remove all the harmful or the third-party apps or software from your device. All right, so they have mentioned all the important points using which you can secure your Gmail account. And if you can still access your Gmail account, there is nothing better than that. You must quickly change the password before the hackers change it for you. All right, so whenever you notice any suspicious activity on your account, you must always change your password. And also, whenever you use your Gmail account on any unknown device or on a public computer, you should always change your password. All right, so make sure your recovery information is also updated so that you can get the verification code and reset your password whenever you lose access to it. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any feedback or suggestions or queries, you can mention them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.